Hi, welcome to another of my A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, or perhaps even if you did, you can continue listening while I give my explanation of how I found the answer. So, we've got two charges, P and Q, and they're separated by a distance of 100 millimeters. X is a point on the line between P and Q where the electric potential is 0. So electric potential will be 0 where the potential from this 2 microcoulomb charge is equal in magnitude to the potential from this 3 microcoulomb charge. Because 3 microcoulombs is a larger charge in magnitude, that point is going to be closer to the 2 coulomb charge. And we're trying to find that position where these two potentials are the same. We want the distance from P to that point X. So I'll tell you what, let's call that a distance X. So it means from X to Q, that distance is going to be 100 millimeters minus X. Right, what equation is going to help us with this? The equation that's going to help us is electrical potential is equal to minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by the charge over the distance from the charge. Well, I'm going to ignore all of that because all I'm interested in is the ratio of charge over distance. So let's just first of all have a look at what that ratio is for the 2 coulomb charge. Well, we've got a charge of 2 microcoulombs. It's over a distance x, and for the 3 coulomb charge, the charge is 3 microcoulombs, and the distance from there is 100 minus x. And as I said, we want to find that distance x where v2 is equal to v3. So when 2 over x is equal to 3 over 100 minus x. Let's go through the maths, relatively simple. I'm going to turn both of those equations over, take the reciprocals of both sides. So x over 2 is equal to 100 minus x over 3. Then I'm going to multiply each side by 3 and each side by 2. So I end up with 3x is equal to 200 minus 2x. Bit of rearranging tells me that 5x is equal to 200, and finally x is equal to 200 over 5, which is going to be 40 millimeters. The answer is B. So, as I said, doing multi-choice questions is a fantastic way to check your understanding and to make sure you've got good exam technique to do things nice and quickly. So please watch more of these in the video. Please recommend them to your friends, and please press the like button. Thank you.